Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please, you're just stopping by for the first time. You are highly welcome, guys. You are welcome to join this family. Okay, and to my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you too to you guys. You guys are the best. I have hit the 1,000 subscribers, and I am so proud of you guys. It's you guys that made it possible. I so much appreciate and thank each and every one of you. It's not easy, okay? And to also staying put to this channel even without me uploading video frequently. And since that from now on, I'll be uploading video at least twice in a week, okay? That's what I promise you guys, and I say thanks and God bless you guys. And to my new subscribers, guys, if you are watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe. And here I want to build a community, not just for just dropping recipes on YouTube and all that. I want to build people that community that we can actually share our skincare issues, any other issues at all, related to skincare. You guys are welcome, or even outside skincare, you're highly welcome to chat me up, call me on phone. You're welcome. All right, so I want to say a very big thank you guys to the people that have sent me message on WhatsApp and that have asked some questions, and to some that have called me on phone and video call too. I say thanks to you guys. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys a lot. Okay, so guys, today I'll be showing you how you can make your whitening 7 days whitening super active soap. This soap is very nice. It's very okay. In here I have my shredded soap. I made a video on the soap that I've used and my customer that I've used that is very active, so you can go to watch the video, pick any one you can get from the market and try it out. They are very active. They're much okay. So let me quickly introduce to you guys what I'll be using today to activate it more. Here I have my Blue to C Intense Whiteness Concentrate. Here I have my Bleachers Anti-Taches. I have turmeric powder. I have neem powder. I have licorice powder. I have Citru Clear Serum. I have Ashanti Super Extra White Serum. I have lavender oil. I'm adding this oil is to moisturize the skin. And here I have my tea tree oil. Why I'm adding this tea tree oil is because some people do have acne on their body, so with this tea tree oil to help them fight that. Here I have lactic acid. This lactic acid will also help exfoliate the dead skin out. Okay. Here I have alpha arbutin powder. Here I have kojic acid powder. Here I have Blue to White shower gel. I'll be adding 1 cup of this to my mixture. And lastly, I have my cream booster. I made this cream booster myself. It's also available at the store. If you want to purchase from us, you're welcome. I'll leave my number on the screen. You can also chat us up on WhatsApp, or you can follow us on Instagram. That is JessieFab Skincare, or Facebook JessieFab Skincare. You're welcome. So guys, let's start. First, let me add my powders. Shanty serum, with my Citro Clear serum, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of my lactic acid, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of my lavender oil, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of my tea tree oil, and then I'll be adding my cream booster, lastly I'll be adding 1 cup of blue to white shower gel, 1 cup my blue to white shower gel, so guys what I'll do is to just mix them together and allow them to sit, allow it, and tomorrow I'll come and mix it with my stick blender. So guys, allow it, I'll cover it something and allow it to I would like it to allow it to get soft, and by tomorrow I will still blend it with my recent hand blender. I'll blend it with my stick blender and show you guys. Okay. So lovely. This is a soap. I've finished blending it. This is how it looks like. It's very nice. It's very soft and fluffy. So I'll be transferring it to my containers. Okay. So guys, this is a soap is ready, and it's available in 250 ml, 500 ml, 1 kg, 3 kg and 5 kg. Just in case if you want to patronize us, want to buy from us, alright, you can just give us a call or you send us a message on WhatsApp. I will leave my number on the description box, alright, so you can be able to contact us. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for the thumbs up. See you guys in my next video, right? Bye and remain blessed.